Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. We're going to be looking at a double deep 5-frame nuke today. It is 91 degrees out here, sunny, partly cloudy, mostly sunny. 91 degrees, and they say it feels like 96. So we're going to see what these girls are doing. Okay, we had a queen walking around last time and no eggs. So we're gonna see what we got today. They ain't got no food. We need to take care of that. Okay, we have food now. They've got their vent holes all plugged up. See, if they don't need the ventilation, they cover it up. That's probably because of the winter. And they haven't opened it, and I haven't opened it. This here is a frame that was put in there on 5/27. We got it built out. This is honey. This is nectar. And they're still building and filling out down here. So they're doing okay. Let's sit it over here in the shade. This one here is one that had queen cells on it. Right now it has, looks like a little bit of, looks like a little bit of brood and larvae. Here we see a queen. Don't really see any eggs though. But it's got a little bit of larvae right here. We're gonna put it back in. I didn't see the queen. I think I just got stung. Yes, people, I still get stung by the girls, usually on my fingers when I try to squish them. This one here has brood. No, it doesn't. It has larvae. It has eggs. Let's see a queen. This one here has brood. No, it don't. It has larvae and eggs. She's doing okay. Has eggs and larvae in here. A little bit of nectar down here. So they're doing pretty good. This was 350, which was a double deep 8-frame that we sold a nuke out of. And they made another queen. And that one there has a little bit of standing up egg, which means she was just here. But she's not marked, I don't think. She hatched on the 14th of this month, and she's not marked. Here she is. Right there. He went around to the other side. Pretty girl. Unmarked. We're not going to mark her today. Well, she's faster than I am. This side over here has nectar. Big pretty queen. Right here. She says it's hot out here too. We're going to see what they're doing in the bottom. The way she's doing, she'll have this filled up here in the short. Yeah, I know, we're not worried about really making honey right now because our nectar flow has ceased. So we're just going to make splits. She may be needing a bigger box already. This one has honey on it. They're fast-tuning over here. And they're doing okay. Now this one we can't stick back on the side. We have to stick it back in there. One just got me on the elbow. At least one got me on the elbow. Felt like 4. Maybe it's too hot for them to be out here. This one here. Has queen cell where the queen came out. She's not gone back down yet. This one has honey and nectar. It has room for. There she is down there. Like I said, she's quick. But she being downstairs now, maybe she'll be laying some eggs down here. This is a foundation that they're working on, giving her a place to lay. Bless her little heart. But haven't seen a whole bunch of nectar. Like I say, our been pollen coming in, but little queen cup. But they're working on it. Stick it back down there. Get some pollen here. We're going to go back through this one real quick. See if we got a queen up here. That's the honey. Sometimes we have 2 queens in a hive. don't see her though. So I think that was the same queen and she just went down. We're going to give them some food. We don't give honey to bees that we plan on getting honey from, or we don't give them food. We give them pollen, but we won't give them no sugar water, because we want our honey to be honey. That. Here's this. Get our food container. Put our food container in here. Some liquid. We'll come back and change their screens so they have some air. Put that back up there. Like I say, this was hive 350. We're going to take this off back here, which is 435. And that's it. Then we have a mated queen, so we put the brick up to that way. And that's it. Hope y'all enjoy. Give us a thumbs up. Comment. Let's see what we can do here. Give us a comment. There are little girls down there at the bottom. Get my fingers out of the way. They're down there. Okay, y'all have a great day. Bye.